Hey everybody, this is Mandy Wildman. I don't know if you follow my channel, but a few weeks ago my husband had fallen and had a serious fall and hit his head and had a brain bleed and was in the hospital for 2.5 weeks. And that was terrifying, but he's okay, he's home and he's okay, and I wanted to give you that update. And right after that, in Waynesville, North Carolina, which is in Haywood County, and we are right next to Asheville, and I'm sure by now you've probably heard of Asheville. Well, this entire region got hit really hard. So many people are now without a home. Having trouble focusing. I've been cleaning my shop. Got inundated with mud. I have had some help, and I have got it under control, and I feel better about that. But I'm sad for the people that lost everything. Our house is sort of on a slope, and we were just lucky. And I just wanted to say thank you for thinking of this entire region, and take care.